doctrine of pro reo nako sabtan nga diis kung ang balaod sa krimen masabtan sa duha ka paagi. One lenient to accuse amoy ni an kadayawan. One strict amo yaon grabe so pilion nato ang makatabang. Kung ang prosecution and defense evidence are real equal, the accused is favored presumed innocent until proven guilty. Kay may equipoise rule sa tas galaong nga day when the evidence of the prosecution and the defense are equally balanced. The scale should be tilted in favor of the accused in the obedience to the constitutional presumption of innocence. Example, may bag-o na balaod na dili tugutan na magdala ng hait na butang or kutsilyo sa public place. Tas may gadalanan gamay na kutsilyo then wara sa galaong sa balaod kung apil ba ang gagmay na kutsilyo so ang court galaong na pwede daan gamay na kutsilyo then the accused is cleared. Nullum crimen nulla poena sine lege. There is no crime if no law punish it. Example, in 2020 may mga gabaligyanan mga gamit candy. Tas pagka 2025 may law na bag-o na galaong bawal na magbaligya ng mga gamis candy. Tas may balaod na sa yadton mga gabaligya sa 2020 na wara nagapadayon pagbaligya dili nito makasuhan. Tas kung an iban nagapadayon maapil sila pagkaso. Actus non facit reum nisi mensit rea. An act isn't a crime if the person had no guilty mind. This apply to intentional crime, dolo, but not to crimes from carelessness, culpa. Ang dolo amo yaon gituyo paghimo ng crime, iya giplanuhan. Tas ang culpa wara tuyo. Example, si Tony nagplano na iya donggabon an iya silingan. Full crime siya kay dolo sa or gituyo giplanuhan niya. But if naigo accidentally kay gaduwa sila amoy ni an culpa wara tuyo or careless, lighter or no crime. Actus me invito factus non est mens actus. An act done against your will isn't really your act. If you're forced or tricked into doing something, you're not responsible. Example, may isa ka taong gahawid nan pusil tas gitutod sa imo ulo. Gipadrive ka nan sakyanan para makatakas siya. So, no choice ka, musunod ka. Gayud sa iyang gusto kay mapatay sa ka kung dili sab ka mamati gihimo mo to kay tungod sa imo kahadlok. Ignorantia legis non excusat or ignorantia juris non excusat. Not knowing the law doesn't excuse you. Even if you didn't realize something was illegal, you can still be charged. Example, gapark ka nan imo sakyanan sa spot na wara ka kasayod, restricted baya. Maski wara ka kasayod na bawal baya nga na magparking, tagaan ka gihapon ng ticket or parking ticket. Ignorantia facti excusat honest mistake of fact. Excuse the actor from criminal liability because a person acting under a mistake of fact does not have criminal intent. Example, may isa ka laki sa tindahan gakuha ng payong kay pagtuon niya iya tungod kay pareha sa iya. So he has no intent to steal. So he may be excused under this principle. Dora lex sed lex. The law may be harsh but it is the law. Example, may balaod na dili magpakusog ng pagpadagan ng mga motor or sakyanan. Tas may isa ka sakyanan na kusog ang dagan. Then gipara siya. Tas gitagaan ng ticket. Gi-explain siya na may emergency dako no pero gilangan siya na maski na may emergency kay tungod may balaod na sa nabawal magpakusog ng dagan. So wara iya mahimo dawakton na kaniya. Common law crimes, act or deeds which the community condemn as wrongful or contemptible, even though there is no law declaring such acts or deeds as criminal. Example, may angawat, tas gi-report siya, then gikasuhan na. Ang judge mag-decide kung unoy kibali decision nan yadton mga sa una isab na angawat, amo isab an iya i-decide sa command. Felony and liability. Felony, a crime under the revised penal code, is referred to as a felony. Do not use this term in reference to a violation of special law. Ang felony is serious siya na crime tas punishable by more than 1 year ka in prison. Example, burglary. Musud ka sa building with intent to commit a crime like theft. Offense, crime punished under a special law, otherwise known as statutory offense. Example, ang pag-violate sa traffic law or environment protection regulation, matawag na yan sa na offense under sa special law. Misdemeanor, a minor infraction of the law such as a violation of an ordinance. Example, magkanat-kanat ka ng basura sa public place. Matawag niyan siya na misdemeanor, minor infraction or gamay na ng mga sala. Classification of felonies. Number 1. According to the manner of their commission. Giuna paghimo ang crime, example by using force. According to the stages of their execution, kung ang crime ba na iya yabuhat is attempted. Ang attempted amo inisiyaan ga akna ka pero wara gidayon kay konsensya ka. Frustrated. Ang frustrated sabi is ga akna ka pero wara ka masatisfied kay wara maigo ang imo target. And consummated. Amo inisiya yahimo mo ang tanan imo plano. According to their gravity, classified as grave, less grave or light felonies. Based on severity, grave, amo inisiya ang mga bugat na mga kaso. Anya pinakataas is 20 and 1 day to 40 years. Less grave, ganaay na mga kaso dili kadaya bugat 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Light felonies, pinakaganay 1 day to 30 days. General elements of felonies. A. An act or omission. Act. Any kind of body movement which tends to produce some effect in the external world. Includes possession. Example, punching someone. It is considered as act. Omission. The failure to perform a positive duty which one is bound to do under the law. It is important that there is a law requiring the performance of an act. If there is no positive duty, there is no liability. Example, isa ka parent who fail to provide basic care to their child as required by law. Kay wa sa niya gibuhat, aniya obligasyon, di liable for omission tungod sa paglikay sa obligasyon as a parent. Punishable by the RPC. The act or omission must be listed as a crime in the revised penal code. Example, theft is punishable by the RPC, so it qualifies as a felony. Committed by means of dolo and culpa. Dolo, intentional act done with deliberate purpose to commit a crime. Example, pagplano og pagpangawat og sakyanan tas imo gituyo pagbaligya. Culpa, criminal negligence or imprudence, an act done without intent but due to lack of care or foresight. Example, causing a car accident. Tungod kay hubog kaw or yakatog, it is an act of culpa. According to the manner of their commission. A. Dolo. Article 36 is deliberate intent, otherwise referred to as criminal intent, intentional felony. 3. Requisite of dolo. A. He must have freedom while doing an act or omitting to do an act. B. He must have intelligence while omitting an act. C. He must have intent while doing or omitting the act. Criminal intent. Criminal intent is not deceit. In criminal law, intent is categorized into two. 1. General criminal intent presumed from the mere doing of a wrong act. This does not require proof. The burden is upon the wrongdoer to prove that he acted without such criminal intent. Number 2. Specific criminal intent not presumed because it is an ingredient or element of a crime, like intent to kill in the crime of attempted or frustrated homicide, parricide, murder. The prosecution has the burden of proving the same
Culpa when the wrong act result from imprudence, negligence, lack of foresight, or lack of skill. Three requisites of culpa: A. Criminal negligence, B. Freedom of action, and C. Intelligence in performing the negligence act. Negligence indicate deficiency of perception, failure to pay proper attention, and use to diligence in foreseeing the injury or damage impending to be caused. Usually involve lack of foresight. Imprudence indicate deficiency of action, failure to take the necessary precaution to avoid injury to person or damage to property. Usually involve lack of skills. Reason for punishing act of negligence or imprudence: a man must use his common sense and exercise due reflection in all his acts. It is his duty to be